Alright, so here I am, that Chevy Camaro from 2002, over there on the left. That guy is a level 2,185 in Forza Motorsport 6, and I beat him being only a level 279 in an 88.6 Trueno. I went full Takami for this race. I came in first place, and it was a pretty intense battle between me and S2K and a 1965 Mustang for a while. Alright, without further ado, I give you, whatever the title of the video is. We have to hide the DUI. Ugh. I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna leave it. Kind of gave that guy a love tap. That pink 2002 Camaro, that's a level 1,000. 1965 Mustang there, he's over level 400. And sorry for the really jittery style here. It's a replay of an online race, so it couldn't quite do it all right, like it does when you just replay a normal free play race. I got hit by the S2K in the back there. Had to give him the high-speed drift. Alright, well, this perspective isn't doing much, so here we go. Replay cameras. See? It's a trueno. I even got the Fujiwara Tofu Shop sign on the side. Me and that S2K, man, we went at it for as long as he hadn't span out. You see, they pulled away from me for a little bit there. I only have 180 horsepower. Like, this car is full replica. If I really wanted it to, I could make it slide like the show. But I was grip running for this. That 4AG motor. You'll see S2K got a little squirrely there. I figured he had way more power than me. What I'm thinking is he laid it down too thick after a small tap between me and him here. Because see, look at that there? He just snapped it into the wall. But me and the Mustang kept going for a while. I'm like, I gotta make the pass. I'm gonna try it on his inside. He shoves me into the wall there because he's like, I want to block you off here. I still wound up in front. I actually pulled away from him here a little bit, but he caught me back up by the time we got here. I pulled away again. Every time there was a corner, I'd rocket ahead of him by like at least 100 feet. He just couldn't turn the corner as fast. But there are a few of the high-speed sections where he kept up just fine. He's trying to mimic my driving style. If you saw when I braked and then he braked at the same point. For the most part, it worked up to a certain point. Leave a like and comment below if you want a version with Eurobeat over it. I'll try to obtain the rights to certain songs and play them over the replay. Record a video on that, eh? And yes, I know this video is early. I don't usually upload this early, but I had such a great time on Forza today. I thought, why not? See what I mean by me and the Mustang? No matter how hard he tried to pull away, I just kept catching up every single time, and eventually I tried to even pass him on the outside here. But yeah, you see? Overcooks it there. I'm in the lead. Master of the 4AG. Lighting is really good for this video. I hope it turns out better on YouTube. I posted in HD. Unfortunately, this is only a one-lap race, because Nürburgring only ever comes as one lap on multiplayer. Unfortunately. That's one of the coolest cameras in the game. Took that there in fourth gear, caught him off guard. As you saw in the background there, he slides to the outside and hits the guardrail. I'm just too fast for him around these bends. He can't keep up with them. He has to try and use his power in the straightaways, but he doesn't have enough to compensate. So I'm pulling away here. By the time we're on the back straight, I'm 600 feet ahead. And that might not sound like a lot, when the car behind you has got more power and probably better aero because of modifications done to the body. But I don't care, because I actually think the S2K caught up to him by that point there. See, the S2K is right behind the Mustang. And by the time we get to this corner here, we're still 300 feet. But, yeah, see, they caught up pretty fast there. The S2K is in front of the Mustang. And something interesting happens right here. S2K overbakes it, trying to actually spin me out and give the Mustang the win, but it didn't work. Just span himself out, and I pull ahead for the victory. Mustang's just... I did a little drift there and make him eat my smoke. 180 horsepower. Victory overall. Yeah, the race is actually over by now. When you save a replay from a multiplayer match, it saves the after cooldown as well. Like, you're just driving around just after the race has ended. Those who've actually played the game will probably know what I mean. It's been Ace. Bye.